Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do a perpendicular line through a point. This does not have to be a perpendicular bisector. It's not going to cut it in half exactly, necessarily, but it is going to be similar to a perpendicular bisector in the method that we use to do it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line segment, and I'm going to put another point at the top of that segment. So here's my line segment, and then I'm just going to put a point like right here. Okay, and I'm going to call that point A. All right, after that, I'm going to put the tip of the compass on that point, and I'm also going to put the pencil part of the compass, I'm going to unlock it and put it down here to where it hits the line, just so I know that I can actually hit the line whenever I make this arc. I'm going to lock it, okay? And now I'm going to make an arc that goes across both sides of that line. I need to go on the left side and the right side of that point. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure this arc is nice and large to where it goes through both parts of that line, both sides. I'm going to call this point B and this point C. Okay? All right. Now what we're going to do is we are going to, from these 2 points, I'm going to keep the compass the same and make 2 intersecting arcs below that line segment. So down here, I'm going to make an arc right down in here. So let's just change this color. And I'm going to make an arc going right down here through point C. Okay, that's my compass tip on point C. I'm not going to change the compass length. I'm going to keep it locked. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to do an arc from point B with my compass on point B. See how I get that nice intersection point there? Okay, so after I make that arc, I'm going to connect my point above the point to the point above and where the arcs intersect below. So I'm going to make this line segment from A all the way down here through that point. And then that is going to be a perpendicular line through the original line segment that I had. And if you want to check it, you can absolutely check it on here. I'm going to put this at my vertex with the protractor. Make sure it's all nice and lined up. And you can see that that is, let me see, let me get it right there. That is going to be an exact 90-degree angle. So that is a perpendicular line from the line segment. Any questions? As always, let me know.